Hello children, I once again welcome you back to your EVS classes. We were going through chapter 11, Plants Around Us. We have studied that plants can be found anywhere when we walk in our neighborhood. There are different types of plants. Some are very big while some are small. Last class we have studied about trees, which are very big plants and they have one very thick stem called the trunk. Then we have studied about shrubs. Shrubs are smaller plants. They have woody stems and some examples are rose, hibiscus, etc. Then we have studied about herbs. Herbs are small plants which have soft green color stem, and some examples are coriander, mint, etc. And then we have studied about climbers and creepers. So climbers and creepers are the plants which have very weak stem and they need the help of either a wall or rock, or if they are creeper they grow along the ground. And examples are grapevine, then bougainvillea, bottle gourd, watermelon, etc. Now today children, we will study about different parts of a plant. You know very well that plants have different parts and all perform different work. They all have different work to perform. Like let's start from root. So root is the part of the plant that holds it firmly to the ground, and roots only absorb water and nutrients from the soil. You can see children, roots are there and they are helping the plant to stand properly in the soil. Actually the roots are spread in the soil and they hold the plant firmly to the ground. Now the next one is stem. What is the work of the stem? It carries the water and food to different parts of the plant. Like when water we are talking about, it absorbs water from the roots. Actually roots absorb water from the soil and the stem carries this water to different parts of the plant. And later on when the food is prepared by the leaves, they carry the food or the prepared food to different parts of the plant. The next one is leaves. Leaves are the part of the plant which make food for the plant, for the whole plant. And leaves are the kitchen of the plant because food is prepared in the leaves. And next one is flowers. So flowers are growing in the plants and later on they only become fruits of the plant. The fruits grow from flowers, okay, and the fruits bear seeds in them and the seeds only grow into new plants. So children, these are the different parts of the plant. Later on in your further classes you will study about them in more detail. Now come to the next page, page number 62. Plants make their own food. So children, as we prepare or we cook our food, the plants also prepare their own food. For that, the leaves of the plant use sunlight, air and water to make the food. And children, you should know one thing, that the plants make their food during the daytime when sunlight is there. Now, the process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. So the process name is photosynthesis. This is the process by which plants prepare their own food. Okay. Now let's move to uses of plants. You know very well children, plants are useful to us in many ways. So let us go through. Food. We eat different parts of plants and we get fruits, vegetables and cereals from plants. We get coffee, tea, sugar, oil and spices too from the plants. So these are the different things we get from plant, like fruits, whatever we are eating, whatever vegetables we are eating, we get all of them from plants only. Whatever cereals, pulses, rice, dal, whatever we are eating, we are getting from plants. Even we have coffee, tea, sugar, oil, spices, different spices, all of them we get from plants only. See, we eat the seeds of rice, maize and pea plant. So they are a part of plant. The next one, we eat the leaves of spinach and mint, even coriander and other leaves are there, tulsi leaves. All are plants part, they are leaves part. Now the fruits like apple, mango, banana, watermelon, whatever we eat, they are all different parts of the plant. Then we eat the stems of sugarcane and lotus plant. So that is also a thing we get from plants. Now we eat the roots of the plant, like we eat carrot, radish, turnip. They are all the roots of the plant. So we get various things from plants. Now do you know, children, that ginger and potato, we use ginger and potato you eat na, that is growing under the ground, that is growing under the ground, but that is not root, that is a stem. And even ginger, adrak, what we use in our home, that is also a stem, although they grow under the ground. And these stems are special because they grow underground. So it's written here ki these are stems, special stems which grow under the ground. So children, this much for today. Next day we will go through some more uses of plants. You read the chapter properly, learn all hard spellings. Many words are new for you. Learn them properly. Take care. Thank you.